Hey, what's up, guys? I know it's been a very long time. I was really not active on YouTube or anything like that. I've not been doing any videos or anything. But here I am back again. This time it's not gonna be any tech video or any unboxing or any of that sort. Today it will be a different video. It will be like a vlog sort of video. Mainly because my sister, she is leaving to India today, and so we've been planning to go and have a brownie from a very kind of like famous shop in Musafa. It's called Honey Cake, and they have this all sort of variety chocolates and brownies, cakes, and all that sort of stuff. So we've been planning to have that for a long time, but we didn't get the time. So today we decided to go and have that before she leaves to India. So yeah, let's go to Honey Cake. It's located in Shabia 11, and they have a wide variety of sweets, cakes, and all that sort of stuff. When we reach there, we'll show you. So yeah, let's go, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, we are back. So yeah, we are near the shop. It's Honey Special Cake Cafe. We're gonna have hot sizzling brownie. That's what it's called, and it seems like it's pretty best selling or something like that. So we have to go check it out. We've been wanting to try it for so long, but yeah, as I said, we didn't get the time for that. But today finally we're gonna have it. We're gonna see what and how it tastes. How good is it? So are you excited, Joyce? Yeah. Sure. Are you sad because you're going to India?
Of course.
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, we'll see you inside. Bye bye. മോളിൽ നിന്ന് ഒഴിക്കടി ഇങ്ങനെ ഒഴിക്കി കുറച്ച്
White chocolate? Oh my god. Yo, hey guys, yeah, we are back. We had the sizzling brownie. It was really nice. Joyce, what's your review on, or what do you want to say about it? It was really nice. The chocolate, the brownie was like really tasty. Then the toppings and stuff along with it went really good.
and we get to pour the
Yeah,
white
Joyce,
chocolate.
she did that thing. Pouring.
I didn't know actually how to do it, but anyways, white chocolate thingy, we'll put it, and it's really good. Yeah.
How was the taste? I liked it. I personally really liked it. I wanted to try
Me
this for
too,
so long.
But I'm
Yeah.
not able to express it out.
Actually, we only bought one because we already had breakfast and our tummy was already kind of full. But if one person is eating it alone, it's maybe
too much chocolate.
it
for
will
one
be
person.
it'll be kind of heavy for you. And the price for one sizzling brownie is 15. We want to try another one, pull me up cake, which is actually 20 dirhams. These are the best selling of honey cake, honey special cake cafe. But when we had that itself, our tummy was kind of full, so we thought pull me up cake. We'll do it maybe
later
sometime next time when you come from India. We'll see about that.
Hmm.
Anyway, I hope you all liked today's video. It was a very small vlog video. It's really been a while since I been on YouTube. Hopefully I'll make more videos. See you all soon. I hope you all
Guys, subscribe to this guy's channel and like, comment, and support.
wise words from my sister. Please do as she says, or she will come to your house and she'll kill you all. Take care, guys. I hope to see you all soon. Stay safe. COVID, black fungus, white fungus, red fungus, so many fungus coming out.
What?
Take care. Don't get infected. Stay safe, guys. See you all soon. Bye bye.
Ta-ta.